What's up everybody? This is Simon, and today I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing, setup, and review of one of the cooler earbuds, or one of the more popular earbuds out on the market. The Tune 230 NCs by JBL are in my hands right now. I'm super excited to unbox, review them, let you know how they sound, because the JBL earbuds have been coming in like fire. They have been great. Before I get into this unboxing, please, I always ask that you guys like the video. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. This is the Tune 230 NC TWS. They added the TWS in a very small font, so that's kind of interesting. On the box it says there's 40 hours of battery life, active noise canceling, pure bass, zero noise. These are supposedly really good. 10 hours on the earbuds themselves, on each earbud, plus 30 hours on the case. That is amazing. That's incredible in my opinion. That's some of the best I've seen. Now, a 10-minute charge gives you 2 hours of music. With ANC, you're getting 8 hours of battery life. With ANC off, you're getting 10 hours. Still pretty good, okay? Box is pretty good. Alexa built in, Google built in, and obviously Siri can work with your iPhone, and that's what I'm going to be pairing it with today. So, a little bit of tape underneath, my surgical knife. Let's get this opened up. Their packaging is always really nice, and what's neat about their packaging also, it shows you the earbuds themselves in a little window. They include this plastic piece. A lot of manufacturers are not including plastic in their packaging anymore, such as this. I guess it's not eco-friendly, so but JBL still is doing it. The orange USB-A to USB-C with the JBL etched in there. That's really cool. I like it. It's about 6 inches or so. And you do get ear tips, so small size and large size. Obviously it comes with the medium size. Case, pretty neat, piano black gloss finish in there, and overall just a really nice case. There's a charging indicator as well. So far the case has 2 at a looks like, oh man, that's pretty good. There's like 7, nope, there's only 3 lights, excuse me. It looks like there's more lights. I don't know if you guys could see that, but there's not. So piano inside with some warnings. The USB-C is kind of on the back, which is neat, but that means you can't lay it flat. But let's go ahead and put it in. Now there's a sticker here that actually is clear. It is supposed to be removed so that you can take out the earbuds. This is so they don't fall out. There's no other stickers inside, and JBL ships these without the earbuds kind of plugged in, so it doesn't drain the case. The indicators of charging and Bluetooth pairing is coming on. So one is actually trying to Bluetooth. Now they're both trying to Bluetooth pair because the lid is open. Now the lid is good. It'll stay up. The case is actually a good size. Here's a 3rd generation AirPods. And as you could see, it's a little bit bigger. I can't say it's not. I would say it's like 30% bigger. I wouldn't say it's double. I don't know. Comment below what you guys think. Is it double? It does look like the bigger brother of the AirPod 3rd gens here. So overall, you know, that's a good comparison. But I like the design of the case. I forgot to show you guys what's inside the manual, so we're gonna open that up. And it comes in a little cardboard box like this, a quick start guide, and Google setup. We're not gonna do that because I don't use Google. Now, some of you guys may want to use it, and that's a different video altogether. So if you use Google or OK Google, good for you. I use Siri sometimes, but mainly I use my earbuds for audiobooks and music and phone calls. So we're going to test all those. All right, try different sizes to fit your ear tips. You pop them in like this, and then you turn them in. Looks like counterclockwise, okay? Push them down and turn them in. Interesting. So they're actually angled at your ear with your jawline. And then you just Bluetooth pair these guys. Here's what's good, okay? This is the important stuff. On the left side, You got ANC ambient aware, which is your transparency, and talk through modes. So interesting, you have a couple of those. So a double tap looks like you could call it hang up. A hold is mute. There's not, oh, there's the ledger right here. So a single tap is just one of these dots for ANC and Bluetooth. Double tap to call and hang up. A triple tap, I'm not seeing it on this side, but on the right earbud, it's to play the previous track. A double tap on the right earbud is for the next track. Pause and play, obviously, is on a single tap on the right. So ANC is controlled with the left, and the right earbud controls pause and play. And what's interesting enough, you can't pause and play unless you use voice assistant or Google or Alexa. So, and a hold on the right ear and the left ear, you could also use Bixby and also Siri. And that's pretty much it. So let's pair these guys up. This is the boring stuff. But I gotta tell you, people have commented saying, hey, thanks for reading the manual. I lost mine and now this was easy to find. So I'm glad I do that. Okay, so I have my Bluetooth opened up here. And as you could tell, I just opened the case for these guys here. And right away, the JBL Tune 230NC TWS pop up. There we go. That's how easy the setup was in the pairing. And as you could see, I still have the JBL Tune 225 TWS in my list. And yes, I test all these things and keep most of them. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in. These are light, guys. They're very light, okay? And they're in, and they're already playing. Okay, they fit good. They're light. I do need to adjust them and curve them a little bit more. They fit better when they're curved like this. You tell me how they look. I will actually compare them to the AirPod third generations, and this is a little bit longer than the AirPods. So let's go back to the table here, and you could see the AirPod third gens are just slightly smaller. They don't have this rubber cone. It is a tap on here. It's not a button. It does look like a button. There is a mic on here. There's also a mic right there, and this indicates it's a right. Two little charging points here. So the first thing I do is I test the rap song. Now, why do I test the rap song? Is for the bass. These are supposed to give you a lot of bass. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now, sadly, I've been using quite a few rap songs to test the music, just to get the same comparison as from the other earbuds. And unfortunately, I'm getting tired of this song, but I'm afraid to switch to another rap song and not get that same comparison from earbuds. So that is the ultimate issues that a product reviewer on YouTube faces. And I hope that's the worst thing that happens to me. So here we go. All right, we're playing a rap song right now. So far it sounds good. I'm gonna go ahead and do a tap. Now it's on noise canceling. Another tap on the left ear. Yeah, I could feel it. Okay. Oh my God, the bass is there. Whoa, wow. Okay. Whoa. These got bass, guys. Comment below if you have them. Clear. Not only is the treble clear, I could hear the rap music, but the bass is there. I feel like I'm in some guy's cool, pimped out car with a nice stereo system in that car, which I used to have when I was a teenager. Whoa, that's good. Hey, I recommend these off the bat. Not many earbuds make me smile like this, but these 230NCs are doing it. JBL, wow. Okay, now it's talk aware mode, so it's still playing. Oh my God, when it kicks back on, I'm at a rap song. All right. Okay, so overall, performance is very good with these from first impression and unboxing, okay? Now let's test a more modest song. Something like a Wicked Games. Of course, we're gonna play a little bit different on here. Oh my God, I'm in the song, guys. I am in the song. Of course, we can't play the song for copyright reasons, but oh man. I'm immersed. Let me try to change the settings. Wow. Okay. These are great. You can't go wrong with the 230NCs, okay? Man, the bass is just so perfect on these in my opinion. Oh my god, my ears are just dancing. They're having a good time. You know, pardon the little eye thing is from jiu-jitsu class, so don't think I got beat up for not reviewing someone's products. Wow, these are great. Okay, enough bragging. The mids are really good on these. The bass is amazing. It's crystal clear. It has voiceover, so it knows that I'm talking as I pause. It went into transparency mode. They call it something different. They don't call it transparency mode. They call it ambient mode or talk through mode, whichever one. So let's see if I double tap. Oh, here it is. Yeah, that's his talk through mode. That's pretty cool. So it was ambient aware with one tap, talk through is two taps. Really cool. So it's transparency mode, ANC mode, and they're amazing. Okay, right now the noise canceling kicked in. Can't hear anything around me. Really good. Let's talk about some of the highlights of these true wireless noise canceling or active noise canceling pure bass earbuds by JBL. They sound amazing, but let's hear some specs. So 10mm drivers, it sounds like they're smaller than usually the typical 12mm we see that deliver a lot of bass. However, these are putting out more bass than those 12mm that I've tested in the past. So they don't have wireless charging and they're not auto detecting when I pull them out of the ear. So you do have to pause and play either on the phone or in your earbud. If that's a deal breaker for you, yeah, that is. But overall, they're really good. The active noise canceling technology has the two microphones I mentioned, one at the top and then one on the side, and that allows them to cancel the noise, so you're able to get the best possible active noise canceling in the earbud. With ambient aware, you're tuning into your surroundings at all times, so if you're at the airport and you want to hear that your flight is taking off, that's what transparency mode or ambient aware mode is, and it worked great. And talk through mode, which is done by a double tap on the left, actually allows you to keep that subtle play in your ears while talking to someone, so you could get back to your music and not skip a beat. That works great if you're a multitasker, or if your parents want to say something to you, you're in talk aware mode, you say yes mom, you move on with your life while listening to your favorite track. Never skipped a beat. So 4 microphones for perfect voice calls, 2 on each side. And I actually placed a call to our office with these, and the call went very well. I was able to use ambient aware mode, and it just sounded very crystal clear. There was no problem, and I didn't feel like these made me sound nasally or muffled. The call was perfect, just as good as my AirPods. And I'll be honest with you, the 2nd generation AirPods, not the 3rd, are my favorite in terms of making phone calls, and these were just as good. And I'm always on phone calls with earbuds, with everything that I do, with all the product reviews we have going on, etc. Now, we have played these for over 8 hours actually with noise canceling on, and up to 10 hours with noise canceling off here in our office by just playing a track nonstop through the earbud. So you're gonna get real quality. The case allows you to charge 3 more times for a total of 30 hours. So that's 10 plus 30, 40 hours on the earbuds is amazing. The IPX4 waterproofing is pretty good, but it's not the best out there. So you could still work out with these, and they actually fit snug enough where I could shake my head and these aren't gonna fall out. Now, maybe if I'm doing a kickboxing class or something of that matter, I definitely want something that's gonna hold on a little bit more. There are other earbuds that I feel like would hold on more, but if you're jogging, these are gonna work. If you're possibly snowboarding or skiing, these are gonna work. And I still love the fact that they're touch. They're very similar to the AirPod Tap, and for me, that is much better than the 3rd generation press. I hate the press, I love the tap. I love to tap it. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the 230 TWS NCs, or the 230NC TWS Tunes by JBL. It's a long name. So I personally did. I do think they're quality. I would actually buy these. Now, these come in 3 different colors as well. They come in black, blue, and white. And each of them go for about $79.95. The link is below Definitely one of my favorites, if not the favorite, $80 earbud with active noise canceling. I just wish it had wireless charging, then it would be a complete package. Anyway, if you did enjoy this review, don't forget to give us a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. Thank you.